What are the N.J.S.A 39-6 firearms exemptions? New Jersey's gun laws are among the strictest in the entire country, but buried inside those laws is a statute that creates narrow, carefully defined exemptions for specific people and situations. N.J.S.A 2C 39-6 identifies the exact circumstances under which possessing or transporting a firearm does not violate New Jersey's unlawful possession law. New Jersey, SA 2C 39-5. Without a valid exemption, simply possessing a handgun without a carry permit is a second-degree crime that carries 5 to 10 years in state prison. The statute organizes these exemptions into multiple subsections covering public officers, out-of-state law enforcement, antique firearms, home and business possession, hunting, target shooting, and firearm exhibitions. Every single exemption is narrow and condition-specific, meaning all required conditions must be satisfied simultaneously for the exemption to hold. Civilians are permitted to possess firearms on their own property and may transport them for limited purposes, like purchasing a firearm, relocating, or having it repaired, provided transport rules are strictly followed. Target shooters may transport firearms to and from a qualifying range under subsection F, but the firearm must be unloaded and contained in a closed, fastened case, or locked in the trunk with only reasonably necessary deviations from a direct route. A valid hunting license allows transport of a legal firearm directly to or from a hunting location, under the same strict unloaded and secured transport standards established in subsection G. Collectors may transport firearms to exhibitions or displays sponsored by a law enforcement agency, rifle or pistol club, or firearms collectors club, but modern firearms do not automatically qualify for the antique firearm exemption. Retired law enforcement officers are addressed under subsection L and may also receive federal carry protection under LEOSA, with a 2024 Third Circuit decision confirming that LEOSA can preempt contrary New Jersey requirements for qualified retired officers. Certain security personnel, such as designated nuclear power plant security staff or guards employed by specific financial institutions, may qualify, but a general firearms purchaser ID card or ordinary private security registration creates no carry exemption on its own. If you rely on an exemption and fail to satisfy even one condition, you face the same criminal charges as someone who never had an exemption at all, even if you acted in complete good faith. The Graves Act, codified at N.J.S.A 2C 43-6E, imposes mandatory minimum prison terms with parole ineligibility for most weapons offenses, meaning a failed exemption defense can result in years behind bars before any possibility of parole. An exemption must be raised and supported with documented facts showing the qualifying purpose, route taken, storage method used, and every other required condition was actually met. Adam the 1000th. Lustberg, named to the Super Lawyers Rising Stars list for 6 consecutive years, defends clients facing firearms charges throughout Bergen County and all of New Jersey as a dedicated criminal defense attorney. Lustberg Law Offices represents gun owners, hunters, collectors, target shooters, and others who need a knowledgeable lawyer to challenge whether an exemption defense applies to their specific facts. If you are facing firearms charges and need a lawyer who understands every condition of New Jersey's firearms exemption statute, contact Lustberg Law Offices at 201-880-5311, located at 1 University Plaza Drive, #212, Hackensack, New Jersey 07601, to schedule your free consultation today.